Hey guys, what's up? It's Sean, Autotopia LA. Today we're here with Dale. I saw you roll through the cruise. I saw it's a GTO. It's a beautiful color, and it's got what appears to be center locks.
Yeah, it's a 1967 GTO. Been in the family forever. So it was my dad's brother's car, and he passed away.
Did he buy it brand new or?
Brand new.
Really?
Yeah.
So this is a one family car.
Yeah, but then he was all in the hot rods and messing around with stuff, so it's not a numbers car. But then he passed away, and then the car ended up going to my dad. And then we weren't really well off, so that my mom's car broke down, and then this used to be, well, ended up being my mom's daily driver.
Really?
Yeah. So as I was a kid, I used to run around inside there. She used to take us to school. In the 80s, didn't have seatbelt laws. And then at 16, I drove it for about a year. And then it was carbureted. And then I got tired of it, threw it in the backyard again, and it just sat there for many, many years. Unfortunately, both my parents passed away. It was one of my things I wanted to rebuild this. So I am a hands-on person.
Okay.
But the body guy that took care of the paint,
yeah,
which was my good friend. And then as far as the motor and everything goes, it's a company called Sire Customs, one of my good friends, that did all the motor work.
So you said LSA.
LSA. So we did minor mods. I didn't want to go too crazy where I couldn't start it. So we did a pulley kit on here. We did the ignition, changed the throttle body, and then we took it to a tuner. And right now it's putting 520 to the wheel. So we went with Doug headers, and then we went with the MagnaFlow 3-inch exhaust with the cross pipe.
Yep.
And that gives us the sound that we wanted.
It's a great sound.
Yeah, right.
The car sounds really good. Transmission automatic?
Automatic.
Right? What is
the 4L80?
Right.
And then as far as the suspension goes, we went with the SPC arms, so we could do it adjustable.
Okay.
And then as far as the camber on here is a lot of camber on this car.
So I see Wilwood Master. Is it a Wilwood all the way around?
No. So
okay.
Wilwood Master, and then we went with the Hydro Boost. Now, as far as the calipers and the brake system on here, it's crazy. So we went with the 15.5-inch rotor.
Nice.
6-piston caliper. And then it's a 19-inch wheel.
Okay, and the wheels I was asking you about, but let's talk about that. They're shot wheels.
Yes.
But they're not center locks, even though they look like it.
Everybody says the same thing.
Well,
so
right? I mean,
yeah. So that's specifically the reason why I went with shot. I love their wheels. So basically, there's a special wrench that goes onto this.
Right.
Take it off.
Right.
And once this is removed, this piece here that you see.
Oh, now I see the
comes
lines.
Out. Yes.
Now I see the
And
lines.
then
So
you get
this
to the
comes
lug.
off, and that's where your lugs are at.
Yeah.
That's one of my favorite things on your whole car.
Thank you.
Yeah. Curious back here on that, we didn't talk about what's going on rear end wise, like what rear end you're running, what suspension back here.
Yeah, so suspension wise, adjustable shocks, lowered coils, Curry 9-inch rear, and it's mini tub.
Obviously a totally redone interior overall.
Yeah, so TMI ended up, I actually went to TMI to actually go in there to get color and try to figure out what seats I wanted. But it just so happened to be my lucky day that the CEO was there, and he saw my car on the camera, came out, asked me if this was my car, said yes. We took it in the back, and he goes, well, I want to keep your car here for maybe about a month. I want to take 3D scans of like the door panels and stuff to make sure that he has all the information if somebody else wanted to do a panel.
To ultimately create a kit for a 67 GTO.
So anybody buying a 67 kit, it's off of this car.
They're one of those companies for me I really like, because the truth is you know what I mean? TMI has what, over 1,000 options for you to.
A lot of different options.
Yeah.
You know,
stitching,
color,
materials.
Material, the stripes could be a different color.
Yeah.
I mean, you could go on.
So two guys could have the identical car, the identical interior,
but
and
definitely
they could look
won't be
dramatically different.
Yeah, different.
Wow, what a beautiful car, dude.
Thank you.
I mean, like,
Thank you.
Let's go. We'll get some shots of it. And then let's get cameras in and we'll go for a drive, man.
Sure. So now
car drives nice. Oh, that's right. Okay, so now we're going to his.
Yeah. So you'll see how it shifts when you shift it in.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And it shifts pretty hard, doesn't it?
Yeah. So if you once you get on it, it'll shift like that.
And by now you can already lift out, Dale. God dang, your car gets down. Whoever says 500 plus if the tire's not enough, I just don't agree. I mean, I'm serious, right?
Yeah, that's good enough for me. But you know, always.
But now that you've gotten used to it, now you want a couple hundred more. And then we're good. Man, it shifts hard, doesn't it?
Yeah, he tuned it that way.
Yeah, we can lift. Jesus. Jesus, man. You're getting the oh shit face out of me. Yeah, this car, it definitely does the business, man.
Yeah, it's nice, huh?
Hey, when I feel it throw me into the seat, it makes all the right sounds. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And you get a no shit face out of me.
Then it did its job.
It's a bitchin' car, man. You guys got to be digging this car. I mean,
Yeah.
it's just a really good car, bro. Here we go, here we go. Holy shit, dude. God dang. Dude.
I could have.
I know you could. I know you could have kept doing that. And we're good. We're just gonna roll back to the shop.
Okay.
Wow, man. Just a cool car, man. The story that comes with it, it's been in his family longer than he's been alive. The build he did, all the choices, the colors of the interior, the exterior, I mean, just everything on this car. I'm totally knocked out by it. And it gets down when you put your foot in it. Total badass, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I sure had a great time shooting with Dale. And thanks for hanging and watching, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, you guys, later.